Now, les pronoms COD, the pronouns COD, we have them many. Me, te, le, la, l'apostrophe, nous, vous, les. Meaning what? First person, second person of singular, third person of singular, first, second, third person of plural. But here, and here, here and here, the speech is direct. Meaning what? If I want to say, I see you, I'm talking to you, I'm with you, I can see you, things like that. The speech is direct, so we don't need to introduce a name first, then replace it. No, because we are doing it directly. If I say tu me vois, it means you see me, je t'écoute, I hear you or I listen to you. Nous vous aidons means we are helping you. Vous nous suivez means we are following you. Okay, so I can give another example by saying je te regarde. Je te regarde will mean I'm looking at you. The speech is direct. Je it's I. Te is you, because here is a COD, but it's direct. So there is no need to replace because it already has to be there, replacing a noun. No. I cannot be introducing. Only on the third person, you have to introduce a noun first and then replace it by the pronoun. But here the speech is direct. So what do? We use them directly. So you can say, je t'aime. When you say je t'aime means I love you. This T is there. Because you're telling somebody directly. You tell them, je t'aime. Okay?